Hi, my name is Allison Weiss, and I'm a speech language pathologist with Brooklyn Letters. I just wanted to make a quick video to share with you some of the ways I use my green screen to help keep toddlers and preschool kids engaged in teletherapy sessions. I found it extremely helpful, and I did want to thank and give credit to a website called playsparktoys.com for many of the files that I utilize. They also sell green screen sets, which are great. I kind of just made my own, but they have great ones. And as well as there's a Facebook group called Green Screen for distance learning. That's fantastic. And it's been super helpful in just giving tons of ideas and activities and things to do. So I just want to thank those people for helping me on this journey and discovering the green screen, but it's really fun. So one of the first things I do is one of the activities I do, I should say, is utilize a magnifying glass and play I Spy. So what I have behind me is, I actually have a background behind me. You can't see it right now because I did select a specific color. That is the color that is in my magnifying glass. I put a blue piece of paper in here so you can actually see it if I take it out, but I have a blue piece of paper in here. And what I do is just move it around, and we basically play I Spy and find things. I spy cow, or I see cow. What do you see? Where else should we look? Should we look up or down? Oh, we should go down. Let's see. Oh, I see a duck. What does that duck say? Quack, 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 quack. That's right. Ducks say quack, 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 quack. So we work on a lot of vocabulary and things like that. We can work on, some prepositions, moving it up, moving it down. You can also utilize this for articulation therapy. If you have a background with words with your target sounds in them, you can use it for that. So it's really fantastic. And all you do is put a different color in here and select it when you're choosing your virtual green screen. So you select that and select the color. It's really pretty simple to do. And on the same token, you can actually make it even a little more engaging, especially for younger ones, by using a balloon or Play-Doh or anything that is a different color than just your regular background. So you just select the color, and you can do the same thing and blow it up. Oh, we have to blow. Can you say blow? Blow. Right? Oh, make it bigger. Okay. Make it bigger. We can move it around, and it's kind of like magical. And we can see all the animals on the farm. There's the farmer. And then, oh no, where did they go? They're all gone. So you can kind of make it fun with a balloon or Play-Doh, and you can squish it and stretch it. So it's a cute little activity, and the kids seem to really like it. One of the other activities I do, which is kind of one of my favorites and tried and true and seems to work for everyone, is this activity. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is my shark. So a lot of times what I will do is I will start my sessions like this, and I'm just kind of sitting here, and the kids see the shark when they come on. They're like, oh! I'm like, what? There's a shark. There's a shark. Where? Behind me? Oh my goodness, there's a shark in my room. Oh no. What? He said he's hungry. Should we give him some food? Okay. And then I usually will give them a choice of what they want to give to the shark. Do you want to give him an orange or an apple? Which one should we give him? Oh, okay. You want to give him an orange? We're going to tell the shark, eat orange. And then I am able to place this orange, use his hands, put it right in his mouth. Oh, he ate the orange. So we can work on expanding utterances. We can work on past tense verbs, things like that. So I have a little basket right here that I can actually reach into and put the objects in there. And it looks like my hand is going into the shark's mouth. And then I can pull things out of his mouth, which is always a great one. I actually have some pizza in there. So I can pull that out of his mouth. And kids think it's really funny. A lot of times when people burp, he just burped up some pizza. So That's a really fun, engaging activity for the kids, and you can use it to target tons of different goals. That's what I really love about the green screen is it's very versatile in terms of how you can utilize it. So that is one activity. Another activity I've been using a lot this week, I did get these images off of the Facebook group that I was mentioning earlier, is my baby animals and their boo-boos. So the baby animals all have boo-boos and we need to help them. Use this to work on body parts and to work on increasing utterance length and expanding phrases and things like that to get kids to combine words together. Because like I said, I work with little ones, and so a lot of times I'll show them my animal, and my animal, no, baby pig has a boo-boo. Where is his boo-boo? Head. That's right. Can we say on his head? On his head. I'll model for them, try to get them to expand their utterance length. What do we put on a boo-boo when we get a boo-boo? Band-aid. That's right. We put a Band-aid on. So can we give the pig a Band-aid? We need to give his boo-boo a kiss. Mwah. Oh. We put the Band-aid on. Yeah, he's all better. And then I have a bunch of different animals with boo-boos in different places. He has a boo-boo on his cheek. The cat has a boo-boo on his paw. So we work on different body parts and locations and phrases with this, and the kids think it's really funny, and they're actually very cute, the animals. The dog is the most adorable little dog with the boo-boo on his nose. So this is basically another fun, simple activity, and all I'm doing is basically clicking from slide to slide to slide. I have all of the different images put into my virtual backgrounds, and I'm able to just quickly like click, 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 click. As the kids give the baby with the boo-boo a kiss, I click and it gets a Band-Aid. So it's pretty simple. Another simple one that is similar to this one is, we use this a lot right around the 4th of July, but this is, we usually start in my house. Welcome to my room, guys. This is my room. What's behind me? What is that? Oh, that's a big window. Should we look outside the window and see if we can see fireworks? Yeah, because I hear them. They're pretty loud. Okay, and we talk about what fireworks are and that they're different colors, and we're going to look for the different colored fireworks. So then I might tell them, oh, fireworks are very loud. They say boom, 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 boom. Can you try it? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I hear you. Ready, set, boom. Whoa! Look at the fireworks. They're so beautiful. What color are those fireworks? Those are green. Can you tell me what you see? And I have some pictures here to help with help prompt longer phrases and sentences. So I see green fireworks. Excellent. Let's see. And we keep going, and we have different colors. And usually I have them say like boom. Some kids, I don't utilize that whole sentence. If they're not there yet, we might say like fireworks. We might just be working on boom. We might say green fireworks. We might just say the color. We might say wow, wow. So you can really tailor it to any skill level that you need. So that's a fun, cute one. And then last one I'm going to show you guys is my my animals that like to eat. I have some more animals and they love to eat. So my first animal, do you know what animal likes to eat carrots? And then maybe they'll say bunnies. You're right, a bunny loves to eat carrots. Look who I have. And my bunny looks like he's floating, and it's super cool because they think it's hysterical that he's floating around. He's so hungry. What should he do? Should he eat carrot? Bunny eats carrot. And he's gonna eat it. Oh no, eat it. Oh, I clicked the wrong one, sorry. And he ate the carrot, and then you can do it again. That's the only thing you have to be careful you don't click the wrong one. He ate the carrot! And then we can do it one more time. And oh no! All the carrots are gone. And this guy looks like he's floating because he is actually on a green popsicle stick, or a painter stick, or you can use something like that. And so it disappears into the background. When it's in front of me, you can see it through me, but when it's in front of the background, you really, mostly can't see it, depending on your lighting. And my lighting's not great right now, but, and it looks like he's just kind of hopping. And the kids think it's hysterical because sometimes we'll have them come I'll just have them come in and they'll say, what? Oh, there's a bunny right there. I didn't even see that. It's pretty cute. I have a horse as well, and my horse can walk around. Horsey can walk around, and sometimes he likes to eat. He's hungry too. He needs to eat some apples, and then he'll eat the apples. So that's kind of like how we play with that. We say, eat apple, horsey, horsey eat apple. So that's how that works. But I just wanted to share some of that with you. I hope it was helpful and exciting and fun. And I hope you guys can figure out how to use it in your sessions as well. And it really helps keep kids engaged. Thanks so much.